What's going on, everyone? Jack here with MarineMax Sarasota, and we are aboard this brand new 2025 25-foot Dauntless. It's absolutely incredible. Let's go through it a little bit. Starting in the back, you have a 10-foot power pole. It's absolutely awesome. Keeps you in place while you're on the sandbar or pulled up on the beach. We have a 300 Verado Mercury, one of the best engines you can buy on the market, super reliable. You have fold-down seats that come down, or you can leave them up. You have a live well that comes right in the middle here. It's awesome for keeping little bait fish, all that kind of good stuff while you're out fishing. But the best part is you have an awesome big live well underneath your front bench seat here. So you can keep all the bigger fish if you're going to run offshore on a nice flat day. Put them right in there. Right up here at the helm, you have a beautiful bench seat that you can sit on. Obviously, as you guys just saw, a piece that comes up, back, and forth, so you can decide which way you want to sit. You have a Simrad here, integrated with some of the best technology you can get, depth all around wherever you're going. JL Audio, one of the best sound systems on the market. And it comes already on the boat. Let's go up to the bow. Up here on the bow, you have an awesome day bed. It is one of the most comfy things you can lay on. Don't tell my boss, I like to take a nap on it. Up here on the front as well, you have these little seats that come up and click into place. So if you have little ones swimming, you can sit up, watch them, make sure everything's okay. If you guys like this boat, if you guys want to come in, check it out. My name is Jack Towsley here at MarineMax Sarasota, and it is available immediately. Come on in and see us. Have a great Friday.